Hello, now I would like to comment on the team's Lab3 Assignment 2. So let's check the requirement. So question 1, download the map from this URL and load it into R, and then we need to process it in a way that different age group are shown in different columns, which is young, adult, and senior. So let's look at it. So first of all, we read the data. Then we select the region, age, and income per age group. Then this code, I think, they would like to create three. That means they would like to duplicate the record and create young, adult, and a senior for each country. Then this one is select the index of each age group. The assign the value, then assign to the SCB processed. Then print out the several lines. From here we find an issue because for example the first one, Stockholm County have 3 lines, which is from here, and here, and here. For young, adult, and senior, which is not perfect, I think. It's better to have one line for each country. Okay, I will show my implementation. So let's check here. Okay, I will read the data, set some column which is not good. Here we set the X2016 to income, to new things to income. Okay, and then we try to do some data processing. And then here we will do implement this requirement. We create a new feature called age group, and when the value is 18 to 29, we set to young and set to adult and senior respectively. And then we only select the region, age group, and income here. Then the key function here is a pivot winder. It will generate the value like this, which is for Stockholm County we will have 3 values, which is only 1 line. For every country there only 1 line. So I think this one is much better than this one. So question 2. Create a plot in Plot3 contains 3 volume plots. Show the mean income distribution per age group. Then analyze and interpret. Okay, here this team is using ggplot. I think it's wrong because we are required to implement this one in Plot3. And if we're using ggplot, there will be a big issue because there's missing a lot of things, like mean or things, and they did not show it. Maybe the data is wrong, maybe it's something else, I don't know. But if we're using the Plot3 and the plot violin group, create the violin plot, we will implement like this. Okay, and here we will have a young group like this, and this one is adult group, and this one senior group. And from here we can see the mean value, up fence, and the minimum value and the maximum value. And we also can find that we can find the upper fence is 639.2. I think it's this point. But we can also find some point here. It's 776.3, which I think it's an outline, because for the value is greater than then the fence, most cases we can think this one is outline. So most cases we can think this one is our I mean the up fence is our maximum value, okay, in general sense, in common sense. And we also have a minimum value, and from this plot we can see that young people earn less than the adult and than the senior group. And also, even the maximum value is still less than the adult and the senior, which means when people working longer, they will get more money. Also, we are required to analyze the mean income, and from here we know that mean income is 594, and here is 619, which is this mean value is greater than this, and this one is greater than this. Okay, so I think this is wrong and should implement it again, re-implement again. So because this command is based on this incomplete plot, so this one should also should be redone. Okay, then 3. Create a surface plot in the plot tree showing dependency of the senior income on adult and young income. So here, let's check the code and what kind of trend. And do you think the linear regression would be suitable to model this dependency? So let's check the code. First of all, we need find a relationship between 3 features. And okay, we can see that this one is like this, but maybe because of the original data is not totally correct, then my implementation is different from this. Maybe because of different axes. Okay, but almost same as my implementation. And okay, and we can see from here it's a linear trend. Okay, it's like a blade. So I think the answer to this one, if I based on this plot, is what kind of trend? It's a linear trend. Okay, no problem. And do you think that the linear regression would be suitable? Yes, but it's miss some scale. So we don't know, we have to check the value here to know its value. So it's better to have some scale here to show what color mapping to which value. So he answered, this team's answer is, it appeared to be linear trend where counties with large senior income also consider large adults. As a linear regression would be suitable. Yes, I agree. Okay, let's check my implementation here. Here's my implementation. Okay, I add a scale, and yeah, like this. Okay, maybe I think because we using the different order of axis, so maybe we see the different picture, but I think they show almost same. And yeah, we can see that it's almost linear, but we can also find that there's a band here. So yes, it's an approximation to the linear trend at the very beginning, and then we can use this one as initial trend or initial attempt to analyze the data. Now let's see the fourth question. Use plot function with trace to visualize income of young adults in the two maps. Analyze the map and then make a conclusion. So here, let's check the code. He read this RDS file, then sets the young people, and then he split the data as data string and gets young people's county, and repeat this one for the adult, and then he need also modify some value because like here, oboe to have special characters and need to be a match, so we can show this map properly. Then now order them, then set some value here, then using plot rate, and this one is the data, which is good, and I think there's no big issue here. And then for the adults, then by visualizing the income data for different countries, provide understanding of how the mean income vary based on countries. Counties, for instance, we can see that adult is different, or if the south part Sweden as compared to the north part. But from the plot we can also see that from here we can see the more brighter the more money, the more income, and here we can see that for adults the south part can get more money, north part it's maybe here. So then it's clear that the largest mean income in Stockholm, both young and adults. Yes, here and here. We also find that this area, which is, I think it's the Göteborg or Lund, or kind of place like this, and they are young people can get more money than other countries except for here. Then for the last one, using GP visualizer to get the location of Linköping. And here we know that latitude and longitude of Linköping, and then using the young map and add a marker here, which is Linköping. And I think there's no problem here. So that's my comment on the Lab3 Assignment 2 of this team. That's the end. Thank you.